In today's section, I am going to teach about the state graphs. What are the state graphs? What are the different implementation? How we are implementing the state graph. First, we have to know how it is implementing the state graph. Means based on finite state machines only we are implementing the state graph. Okay. So finite state machine, how it is following means based on the fundamentals of the Boolean algebra only it is following. Next, we have to follow the state. Why we are following this state graph means we have to follow the strategies. What are the strategies means based on the structure, based on the operations, or based on the behavior, based on these all the attributes which are gathered, we have to build the strategies. Third point means these finite state machines also implemented. How it is implemented means it is based on table format. Suppose we are representing the graphical representation, it must be displayed as this graphical. It must be displayed as a graphical representation. So state graph will assign the implementation of the software where it can design the options. Okay, in different ways. It can design the operations in different ways. Okay. First, we will know what is the state graph. State graph means what? It is the finite state machines. It is based on finite state machines. These finite state machines is based on Boolean algebra. Okay. Second one, this state graph also follows the strategies. What type of strategies means what are the internally it is doing. Internally how it is developing the structure means by developing the behavior while changing the behavior, while changing the specifications, we can develop the model. Okay. Third one, while finite state machines are nothing but it is used to implement the powerful designs. How it is designing the powerful means based on options it is defining. Okay. Next, we have to know about a state graph in detail. How we are defining means the combination of two or more attributes are belong to the person or a thing. Okay, when we describing about the person or a thing, we have to know about what are the person attributes. Suppose my attribute is my name, my age, what is the age, which department I am going to say. So these are all the attributes which I am belonging. So the combination of the attributes which are belongs to the person or a thing is nothing but a state graph. Okay. So this state graph is I will give you a small example like an engine. When we are doing a car driving or something else, we have to identify the engine activities. What are the engine activities means reverse gear, neutral gear, second gear, first gear, fourth gear. Okay, these are the different attributes which are going through the engine. Okay, engine is the class and what are the attributes means reverse and neutral, first, second, three. These are all the attributes which are belongs to this engine class. Okay. So state graph is nothing but combination of the particular attributes of the particular person or a thing. Next, I will give a small example. I said what is that means a engine. When we are car driving or something, so engine is a small example. Engine is a class. What are the attributes means when we are going fast or slow or a reverse gear, we are using different gears like first or second, neutral, reverse, third and fourth. These are the attributes of the particular engine of the class. Okay. Next, I will give a small example of the particular state graph. I took a small method which is nothing but ZC. ZC is my question. Okay, this ZC is the states how we are defining. I have to define the states one by one. Okay, so first state I am defining Z is detected. Next, ZC is detected. So first Z is detected, next is ZC, next is ZC, Z, and next is ZC, ZC is detected. Why these nodes are doing step by step nodes are detecting means to identify the states initially, to identify initially it is doing the whatever. Okay, ZC, ZC, initially detecting the states. Okay, so the next one. See, graphically what is means first state is the null state. Okay, which is the null state. Why it is using the null state means I am defining this null state from connected with all the statements of the states which are connected with ZC. First I am defining ZC. This is a unique one, no? So, it is represent as the unique state. Next, Next I am defining about, I am dividing, first I have to initiate only Z. Okay, starting from Z I am starting. Next ZC. Next I am dividing with ZC, ZC. Last I am defining ZC, ZC. See, in sequential order, 1 node is initialized when 1 unit is initialized. So 1 node, first is Z I initialized, next ZC, next ZCZ, next ZCZC. So you have to connect these all nodes with the final node. Final node is nothing but a null state. So I am connecting with A, next AC, Z, AC. That is the last state, no, so self loop is indicating. Here I am keeping Z, from ZC to Z, another Z I am keeping. From Z to ZC, C I am keeping. Next ZC to ZCZ, Z is keeping. Why these nodes are initial, why it is representing as the states which took, why means it to communicate with each other. Okay, to communicate each other, to initialize each other, I am giving these statements. Okay. Next one, what are, when after the initializing the each and every state of the particular node, I have to define the inputs and what are the transitions. Okay, inputs means which is nothing but a weighted nodes. Weighted nodes are nothing but inputs. Next one, transition is nothing but what are the states are connected to the, what are the linked states connected. Okay, now I am saying about the inputs and transitions. What are the inputs and what are the transitions? Inputs means what? Whether we and when we are entering the particular node, okay, when we are developing the particular model, we must not change anything initially. We have to join these states. So to join these states, we have to give a weighted nodes. So these weighted nodes are the input cases. Next, these inputs also have a link and weights. Okay, these input also have a link with weighted node. Okay, this is the weighted node. Okay, this one is a link. These two, link and weighted node, is the two are connected with input cases. Next, so after that, every input of the transitions is connected with a link to connect all the bunches. If so many transitions and so many lines are connected with multiple nodes, okay, so many nodes are connected with multiple nodes means it is nothing but parallel links are executed. Okay, so many nodes are connected with multiple nodes means parallel links are connected. Okay, always parallel links will be a reduction procedure which is used to identify. Okay. So after that we already know what is the state graph. What is the state graph means I already said the combination of the attributes of the particular person or a thing. Now we will define about the finite states. These finite state machines and this finite state graph is the combination of the transition data. Okay. So we will know about the finite state machine. What is finite state machine is? Finite state is nothing but a abstract type. Okay, how it is abstract type means it defining the structure of the state graph. It defining the structure of the graph here between the transition nodes. So see, between the finite number of states and finite number of transitions. Okay, finite number of states and finite number of transitions. In between we are developing the particular node which is nothing but finite state machine. Once again I am saying finite state machine, it is a model. Okay, how it is a model means we are creating this model as the structure. So this structure is nothing but it is between the, it is used to represent the model for developing the state graph. How it is developing means between the finite state machines of the state and between the finite state machines of the transition and states in between we are developing the particular model. Next, we already know about the inputs. Inputs are the initial stage which are initializing by the transition which is weighted. Now we will note about the outputs. Outputs also linked. So this input what we are giving is nothing but output also connected. So input and output all together are connected with the linked states. Okay. Outputs and inputs are connected together for the input states. So now we will define about the output, how it is denoted. So output is nothing but denoting by the number of letters of a words or anything, letters or a words it will define based on input. So it will represent as both followed by input slash output. Okay, output is denoted by the letters or words. So these letters or words are combined with the input slash output, means it is giving both at a time. Okay, in output state. And it is also have a restrictions type also. When we have unwanted structures or unwanted explicit data, when we observe the particular process when it is doing, so we can also have a identification like explicit restrictions also we can identify. Next, in output states, each and every link also have a weighted node. How it is weighted node means it is associated with the transition of same data. Okay, same output is connected with same input, same output is connected with same outputs. So same transitions are there, so same link is connected with together. So input 1, input 2, input 3, so many, how many numbers you will take, that many numbers of output you can execute by these state graphs. Okay, with the help of only finite state machine. Coming to the state graph of transition means input will be represented, but in this state finite state machines of the output means it is represented by the states of a particular different numbers. Okay. Next we will define how we are following the state graph. How we are following means state graph, when we are having a state graph, a big state we will follow two types of small table format and big table format. But state graph can also solve the multiple clustering problems also. So it is a big state graph which is clustered, which is very identified. Means if we follow a small state graph, means it is easy to recognize and it is easy to represent in graphical way. But in here, when we follow the cluster format, when we follow in the cluster format, a huge amount of graphs is representing, it is difficult to represent in table format. So the big state graphs of the cluster is very hard to implement. Second one, it is convenient for both the cases, means it will convenient both for state transitions and state tables. State transitions means graphical representation, state table means what are the attributes or what are the nodes of an inputs gathered in this state graph will be represented in this state table. Okay, state graph, state table is interconnected with each other to represent the particular inputs and outputs. Okay, these are the 2 points. If it is big cluster, it will does not follow, or it is very hard to identify. And next one, if it represent the transition table, it must have two types of data, whether the transition table have a input and whether a transition table have a output. Okay, we have to know. Next, what are the conversations which are involved in this state graph, means we have to follow these 3 types. What are the first type is, it will represent the one column, one row. See, one column if it is representing means it represent as a state. If it is representing the one column is represented as the state. One column is represented as the condition. See here. Okay. So each row and row, the conversations belong to the state graph is 2 types, is nothing but rows and columns, right? So rows is represented as the state and columns are represented as the conditions. So each row represented as the state, each column is represented as the conditions. So these columns and rows or states or conditions are interconnected with each other. Why it is the combination of the states means it to specify the output. If we are giving the input, but we have to specify the predefined output. To know this data, we are specifying the state graph. Okay, state table. State graph is different from state table. Okay, state graph does not have the conversations, but state table have the conversations to follow the each row and each column. Row is the states and column defines about the particular conditions. Okay, Now at last we will define what are the state graph and what is the state table. Suppose now we have to assign what is the graphical representation of the state graph. So first I am giving first node, second node, third node, fourth node. Okay. Now I am assigning the decision values, which is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 are the common decision values which are initialized in this state graph. Okay. So I am now keeping 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now I have to see what is the next state of the graph. Okay. First, what is the first node of next state means 2. Next state of 2 means 3. Next state of 3 means 4. Next state of 4 means 1. Okay. Now here from 1 onwards we have to continue. Next, first node of next state means 4. Fourth next state 3. 3 next state 2. Next 2 next state 1. So starting from starting node we are implementing as a x. From the next conversations or continuation from 1 means it is representing as the x. Okay, x values. So I already initialized these present values and the next values we have to initialize. When we seeing this diagram we have to write the table frequently. Okay. So what are the present states? What are the present states? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 states. Coming to the next state, x bar and x. X bar is nothing but starting state with the next state, but x is nothing but continuation of the starting node. Okay. So next, what are the Z1, Z2 axis? I already said that we did take ZC, ZC examples. Here I am taking Z1, Z2 as examples which define the decision values, which is nothing but we directly write these values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now we will follow the states. 1 is connected with 2. Next 2 is connected with 3. 3 is connected with 4. 4 is connected with 1. Continuation. These values are connected with next state. So 1 is connected with 4. 4 is connected with 3. So 1. Next 2, 3. This is a state representation of the state graph and state table. Okay. Fine. Thank you.